welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make red velvet cupcakes in time for Valentine's Day and Valentine's Day. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. So let's put on our chef's coats, and let's get baking. To make the red velvet cupcakes, you'll need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a cup of unsalted butter softened, 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of white distilled vinegar, and red gel food coloring. To get started, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a separate bowl, add in the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Sift or whisk them all together, then place them off to the side. In an electric mixer, beat the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Add in the eggs one at a time. Then mix in the vanilla extract. While the mixer is on, gradually pour the oil and mix until well incorporated. Stir the vinegar into the buttermilk, then mix it into the batter. Next, add in the dry ingredients and combine just until there are no more streaks of flour left. Scrape down the bowl and finally add in the red food coloring. Line the cupcake pan, scoop the batter, then bake it in the oven for 20 to 22 minutes. While those are baking in the oven, it's time to make the cream cheese frosting. To make the cream cheese frosting, you'll need 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese softened, a half a cup of unsalted butter softened, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 6 cups of powdered sugar, and a half a teaspoon of salt. In the electric mixer, beat the butter and cream cheese until smooth. Then add in the vanilla extract and salt until just combined. Slowly add in the powdered sugar until the frosting is at a nice consistency. Once the frosting is ready and the cupcakes are cooled, decorate the cupcakes however you like. I dyed the frosting white, pink, and red. I placed the frosting in a piping bag with a large star tip and piped a rosette. Then I topped them off with cute Valentine's themed sprinkles. And now you're ready for your Galentine's Day and/or Valentine's Day with these delicious red velvet cupcakes. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. Also, share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to subscribe and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I've been wanting to make red velvet from scratch for years now and I'm so glad I was finally able to do it. You can even make the cupcakes and buttercream ahead of time so you can have a fun decorating party with your girlfriends or a romantic baking date night in with your Valentine. If you recreate the cupcakes or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. I would love to see your creations. Hope everyone's staying safe and well. Enjoy your red velvet cupcakes and happy Galentine's Day and happy Valentine's Day. Bye!